Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet beautiful and sturdy bags. This bag is perfect for everyday use and it's also a great project for beginners. Viewers, today in this video I'm not only showing you bag designing ideas but also I will give you information that how to crochet a bag. I will take an example of one bag and I will share how to crochet a bag. If you want full tutorial step by step, then viewers please visit my channel or search crochet bag tutorial by KF Sisters for more detail. To start, you need some yarn and a crochet hook. I'm using a worsted weight yarn and a size H crochet hook. You can use any yarn that you like, but just be sure to choose a yarn that is sturdy enough to hold up to everyday use. The pattern for the bag is very simple and it is easy to follow. I will walking you through each step of the way, so don't worry if you are a beginner. We will start by crocheting the bottom of the bag. Once the bottom is done, we will crochet the side of the bag. Then we will crochet the handles. The handles are a little bit tricky, but I will show you how to do them step by step. Once the handles are done, we will see the bag together. That's it. Once the bag is sewn together, you have a beautiful and sturdy crochet bag that you can use for everyday use. Here are some tips for making a strong crochet bag. Use a tight, dense crochet stitch. Work with a durable yarn. Try using multiple strands of yarn. Make smart choice with crochet purse handle and secure those handles correctly. Consider lining your crochet. Go one step further and add interlining. I hope you enjoy this video. Viewers, if you want more videos, more tutorials and more ideas video like this, also tell in comment section. I will upload more videos and more ideas video like this on my YouTube channel. I will previously upload this type of videos. I hope you like this. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question, please feel free to leave a comment below. Allah Hafiz.